Number 1. Describe the master station. A master station is a pre-designated assembly point on a vessel where passengers and crew gather during emergencies. Its location is clearly indicated on the ship's master list, a crucial document outlining emergency procedure and individual responsibilities. This list details action to be taken upon hearing various alarms, including the order to abandon ship. Regular drills ensure familiarity with master station, location, and procedures, promoting a coordinated and efficient response. The master station is therefore a key component of maritime safety, aiming to minimize confusion and maximize the chances of a safe evacuation. B. Explain the procedure in the different type of emergency. Fire alarm. Proceed to your master station. Follow crew instruction for firefighting or evacuation depending on the fire location and severity. General alarm. Indicate a serious emergency. Go to your master station, await instruction, and prepare for potential evacuation or other actions. Abandon ship alarm. Indicate imminent danger immediately. Proceed to your master station, collect personal life-saving equipment, and follow crew instruction for orderly. Man overboard signal. Crew initiate rescue procedure. Other maintain ship stability in navigation. CO2 alarm. Immediately evacuate the affected area and proceed to the master station. Ventilation procedure were clear the CO2. Engineer's call. A call to the engineer's department. Other crew member continue duties unless otherwise instructed. Cargo hold flooding. Damage control procedure are initiated to contain flooding. Other personnel may assist. Pollution prevention. Procedure to minimize environmental damage from spill or leak are implemented. Relevant authorities are notified. Engine room flooding. Critical emergency. Damage control measure are initiated to contain flooding and maintain vital system. Other may assist. And C. Importance of training and drills. The importance of comprehensive training and regular drills for maritime crew cannot be overstated. Monthly fire and abandon ship drills are mandatory, reinforcing procedure and ensuring readiness. New crew member must participate in drills within 24 hours of departure, integrating them into the ship's safe protocols. Realistic simulating actual emergency, build crucial experience and teamwork. Training encompasses the use of life-saving appliances, survival trainings, and first aid, equipping crew member to face various challenges. Finally, the readily accessible SOLAS training manual serve as a vital reference, consolidating all necessary information and instructions for every crew member. This multifaceted approach to training maximizes the chances of successful and safe outcome in any emergency.